Hello, in this video I'll share how to make the ultimate Nigerian stir-fry, a meal created by our very own Naija foodie. Here are the ingredients you will need. Please do not be scared by all these ingredients. This meal is so easy to prepare and you can replace the ingredients you do not have with the ones you do have, which is actually what I did. I made a few changes to the original recipe based on what I had. So we start by rinsing and cutting the ingredients like this. Then mix the suya pepper with the curry powder, thyme and some water. Cook the toughest meat first, in this case shaki. I have already cooked the shaki for some time. Now it's time to add the heart and the gizzards. Stock cubes. Chunks of onion. Then continue cooking till done. When done, separate the meats from the stock and set them aside. Deep fry the plantains till golden. Everything ready, pour some vegetable oil into a pan. And once it heats up, start frying the ingredients, starting with the meats. Fry till it starts to brown like this, and add the rest of the ingredients. Once you're happy with the mushrooms, add the colored peppers. Stir for a few minutes and add the suya pepper mix. You can also add the stock from the meat at this time if you want more sauce in the Nigerian stir-fry. Stir well and add the plantains. I added the plantains last so that they will not be squished by all that stirring, but you can add them at any time during the frying. That's it! The ultimate Nigerian stir-fry is so tasty thanks to Naija foodie. You can eat it with most staple foods: boiled rice, boiled white yam, pasta, dan wake. Ooh, enjoy!